Hey everyone, let's see how to apply free $25 credits to AWS account. When you register and join AWS events and fill survey, then after 1 month, they send credit supply code to email. It's 100% free and you can easily get it. I will make tutorial for it soon. This is I received $25 credits email from AWS. Let's see how to apply it to AWS account. Go to your AWS console and search billings. Then go to credits. Click Redeem Credit button. Then copy and paste your promotion code. See, now you received 25 credits to your AWS account. It expires in more than 1 year, until you can use hundreds of AWS services with those credits. I will bring you tutorial how to get this $25 email free, so make sure subscribe for more AWS tutorials. Thank you.